Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jason Catalano, and this is Catalano Cooking. For today, on top mug, we have our chocolate chip cookie utilizing almond flour, agave nectar, as well as matcha green tea. So the reason why we chose almond flour is higher in healthy fats, as well as it provides a little bit nuttier taste and a little bit different texture than all-purpose. We also chose for this particular recipe to use agave nectar. That is really good for diabetics in terms of as a sweetener versus traditional brown sugar, because it's lower on the glycemic index. It's going to stabilize your blood sugars much easier. And then of course we utilize as our superfood, we utilize matcha green tea all the way from Japan, as this allows for more mental clarity, as they call it the elixir of the immortals. So hopefully you guys can make this top mug. Go ahead and make this chocolate chip cookie recipe and enjoy the mental clarity that goes with it.